Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had completed settlement patterns in Brazil. Today, we are going to study urbanization in India. Open your textbook, page number 48. Here, we are going to study percentage of city population in total population of India. Can you tell trend of urbanization in India since 1961 to 2011? Read the graph in figure 7.5 below and answer the following questions. The graph shows increasing urban population since 1961 to 2011. Let us come to first question. What was the percentage of urbanization in 1961? The percentage of urbanization in 1961 was 18%. Next question. In which decade was urbanization is highest? Highest urbanization took place in the decade 2001 to and 2011. Let us see third question. In which decade was the growth of urbanization lowest? The growth of urbanization was lowest in the decade 1961 to 1971. Okay. Last question. What inference can you draw regarding India's urbanization after reading the graph? Children, after reading the graph, we can say that urbanization in India is slowly but continuously rising. In the last 50 years from 1961 to 2011, urbanization has grown from 18% to 31.6%. It shows that the urbanization is increasing gradually in India. Now, let us move to geographical explanation. The graph shows that urbanization in India has been slow. The growth of urbanization in India in the year 2011 was 31.16%. This growth is quite low which compared to other developed countries. Children, in developed countries, urban population is about 80 to 19%. So, compared to other developed countries, India's growth is very less. In the last 50 years from 1961 to 2011, urbanization has grown from 18% to 31.6%. Highest urbanization took place from 1971 to 1981. That is 5.1% growth. Let us move to next paragraph. But children, at the same time, the urban population is increasing. Expansion of the urban centers and new towns are emerging. It played a significant role in the growth of population and urbanization in the country. Next paragraph. Now let us study in which cities of India urbanization is more. Urbanization has been more in the southern part than in the northern part of India. Due to industrialization, urbanization is more in South India. Goa is the most urbanized state in India with 62% of population living in cities. Among union territories, urbanization more in Delhi, it is more than 80%. 80% of people living in cities. Other states in India like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Kerala, urbanization is more. Children, North Indian states like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, urbanization is less due to unfavorable climate and lack of other necessary amenities. In Bihar also, urbanization is less because most of the people engaged in agricultural activities and they used to live in villages. Due to unfavorable climate and extreme drought, in Rajasthan also urbanization is very less. Now, do you know Indraprastha is the present Delhi. Mithila, Varanasi, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Ujjain, Pratishthan, present Paitan were urban settlements of earlier times in India. These were urban settlements in the ancient India. This shows that India has a great tradition of urbanization. Children, we stop here today. I hope you understood what I explained today. Tomorrow we will study, in the next class we will study urbanization in Brazil. Complete your assignment. Okay.